Hello, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. So this is an unboxing video. The World of Warcraft. I used to play this game years ago. When I was sorting my loft out, I found all the CDs up there, so I uploaded it on my laptop and I've been playing that. And when I was on holiday, I was in a bookshop and I seen the World of Warcraft book. I forget which one it was, but it was very interesting. The artwork's absolutely amazing. The colours, the detail. So I seen this on eBay and I had to get it. It was only £20. The person who I bought it from said it's brand new. This has been taken out the wrapper, but he said the contents inside is still sealed. And it's the World of Warcraft Cataclysm Collector's Edition. And as you can see, the box looks battered in that, but that's the way it's supposed to look. But it's in really good condition. Tiny little ding up there, but that's nothing. So how do we get it out? Oh, it's like, stands like this. What's it say on there? Just have read. Oh, look. And this is the contents of it. A new age has begun. But I don't know how long this has been out for. Probably quite a few years. So you'll all probably know what's inside the box, but I will be opening it. How does it open? This way. Yeah. Oh, this way. So this is the art book, The Art of the World of Warcraft Cataclysm, and yes, it is all sealed, so he was true to his word, so I will be opening that. And then what's this? Oh, it's a mouse mat. Oh, well, that's nice, always useful. And the game, World of Warcraft Cataclysm. Oh, it's not the game, it's behind the scenes DVD, special limited edition. Oh, well, that'll be interesting. And this is the, oh, can't get it out. I'll just tilt the box. This is some cards, quick start guide. Oh, well, these are very nice. This must be like one of those games. Is it like the Trumps card or something like that? Oh, I'll look at them later. And then this is the soundtrack. I always love the soundtracks of these video games. They're brilliant. Right, so I will open this book and we'll have a look through this. Right. Oh, I don't need me trusty finger cutter. Yes, I think I've got a bargain here. Other people were selling it for 80 quid and it was like used. So that's the disc cover. I think I'll take it off so I don't rip it. Oh, that's even better than the disc cover. Oh, that's really nice. Well, now that's a lot to digest. I'm going to need some time to take all this in. Right, I'm just going to flick through it because I'll be wanting to sit down with a cup of coffee and look through it myself. So I will avert my eyes. Because I don't want to spoil the experience for myself. Mysteries in the Sands, Oldham. The detail is absolutely amazing. Flick it this way. Right. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Must take them absolutely hours to sketch all this out. And that's that. So I will look forward to reading that with a cup of coffee. So I've enjoyed this, and I hope you have too. So this was just a short video. So thank you for watching. Johnny signing out. See you, bye.